Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
We had a great Thanksgiving, everybody. On to a Black Friday, I guess. Now 75 degrees right now in Miami, 10 degrees cooler than our high for today. Another warm day, one of the warmest Thanksgiving. Not the warmest. We did that last year at 87, but close enough. A couple of showers offshore on Next Radar Network. These will continue to migrate up to the north along this frontal boundary that will continue to impact our weather as we head through the upcoming weekend with some moisture coming in. And this is going to be exclusive here across South Florida, much drier up to the north. And the Keys, you are in that zone that I think will have the most activity as far as showers through not just Friday, but heading into Saturday as well. We are going to be in between systems here, I think, for Sunday. So that's going to be the drier of the next several days. And in between fronts, the next one actually will bring us some cooler temperatures. Some of the models, in fact, are a little aggressive with it. We'll stay in the 60s right now, but we'll have to keep you updating on that. So cooler temperatures for the middle part of next week. That front's going to take a while to get here. So check in on Rain Tracker for tomorrow that you see the showers continuing. Again, this is really tricky to forecast depending on where that front is. So just keep in mind we are game for showers throughout the day tomorrow with coverage at around 40%. And if you're watching us from the Keys, it's even higher there, as you can see on Rain Tracker, which will continue to see showers featured on Saturday with more of a kind of a cloudy start to it, if you will. And then by the afternoon, we should break out into some sunshine as well. But it's not going to be completely dry this weekend, obviously, there. And then on Sunday, we are going to get things a little bit better here as we'll be in between slugs of moisture. The first feature going up to the north and east. We'll have a couple of isolated showers on Sunday, but I think that'll be the drier of the next few days. In the tropics, 7 days until the end of the hurricane season. We had one landfall as far as a hurricane this year, obviously Idalia in our state. This is the area the National Hurricane Center is still monitoring for potential development. It was an old front. Now we've got a wave of low pressure on it. It could develop into something subtropical, but it's really just to check off another name that's not going to bother certainly us here or anyone for that matter. As far as the rip currents, low still tomorrow. Another great beach day if you were planning on it for tomorrow or through the weekend. We're looking pretty good here. Again, we'll have to dodge a few showers, but otherwise the alerts are not with us through the Atlantic and into the Keys. No small craft advisories. The winds will be light and conditions will be about smooth to light chop for the Keys there. Problem is it is going to be raining at times, so just keep that in mind. 40% coverage here. We'll hold that throughout the day. On and off showers will continue, and our temperatures, check this out, low 80s for Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday, and then we really warm up ahead of the next front with a west wind into the upper 80s before a big cool down. Highs in the 70s with overnight lows in the 60s, and we may even get a few 50s by Wednesday morning. We'll be right back.